ini ang kaisina kok masanai जों बेलाखिनो खातुम खातिनि जों तो साइमानो 3 বছর পর তিনি স্টেট কনফারেন্স संगो তিনি पार्टी IPFT नि তিনি पार्टी IPFT 2009 হইতে जों ताक पयजो जों सामखाय दंगो তিনি একই কাইসিনা नाखामो जों टिप्रालनो अचिभ मा खायनाय स्टेट हुड जों अचिभ मा खायनाय अबन তিনি एक नम्बर एजेंडा তিনি आबन मासाव তিনি जों आं दुतो हामबाय मारावो তিনি सापर्टारनो विभिन्न তিনি स्टेट डिविजन लेवल नि फायै बरतुना बुथ रिगै अप्लाई खायखा তিনি पार्टी IPFT डेमोक्रेटिक पार्टी जों सेलेक्शन या इलेक्शन थायो अब आगे बंखा थ्रू इलेक्शन जों अप्लाई खा अब आं बेलाय हामबाय मारनाय তিনি पार्टी नो তিনি दल नो तैबा हामबाय मारनाय अजरागो তিনি प्रेसिडेंट एक्स प्रेसिडेंट তিনি एनसी देबरमा बो बयस गोबां फनो बनि बखाबलाय करा बनि सामं बेलाय गाहाम जों बेलाय हामबाय मारावो bo asuk boys pano जों बाय दंगो bo boni koglam boni wan sumung belai kaham abon जों bono hambai maronai te boni contribution no जों poi meya te tini जों belai kusingka जों young and dynamic tini GS जों manka tini Dhananjoy Tripura bo educated proksa te tini young MLA tini Prasanto Deborma bro jointly GS nai ek number 2 number nai जों borok bai जों besang tangnai ang khakago जों besang salo tini samung balai kahamungnai tei jonogon bhaino khagao tini public rok especially indigenous people rok जों accept khainai जों tini samung no lugui tini contribution lugui ang khagao tini party tur ragi khainai जों saimano joto saimano abo kono khogoi kरै जों ADC election ni porebo tini kisa problem mungkha tini kisa kormi rok kisa ne week mungkha kintu ang khagao जों tao April March nisin जों sang thru khairनाय tini party te जों reshuffle खायमनि बागै reform खायनो दायो जों आगोगनाय आं खागाव अबयस्य tini public rok नाहरै दंगो राति परम्परा नाहरै दंगो tini decision बा tini state conference tamo result tamo नाय अब जों बर नाहर दंगो within a week or 1 or 2 week बिसिङाव जों tini story खायनाय tini plan program जों तरि खायनाय tini जों balai ke short time ni bagai जों काके meeting lai malia within very short period of time within 1 or 2 week ang jotona call khaiye tini GS no call khairogoi ang jate tini plan program action plan जों abo tori khainai mone bai ang tini lai short time jotona hatal ni phainai rok maire opibaikha ha जों tini pura जों tini CC member जों call khaimalia afano ang khakawo balu jotona accept khainai balu jotona hamjagnai जों tini young generation जों आगोय फाइ दंगो tini party na hamjagai tini IPFT na hamjagai teibo tini dabi na hamjagai जों original जों tiplan nainai जों state demand जों original जों khai khaigo abo जों public ko matlangnai te tini party जों mararnai okok saina haina hai jotono ani pipeline hambai te khulombai.
So in this situation, what do you think will be the biggest challenge for the IPFT to revive back to its original position where it was?
First of all, we have to regroup our party. Since our party have some confusion and some problems going on. So first of all, I think we have to get strength our own party. We have to regroup our party and we have to go to the field and meet the people. What is wrong going on among our party? That will be scrutinized. That will be taken care of. So I think within few months, I think everything will be okay.
Do you think the greater Tripura land demand that has come from the Motha, that is a issue that has been hijacked from IPFT that way?
That part I cannot tell clearly. In a short time, it's not by individual view. With togetherly, all the CC members will be called and will take an opinion. So of course, we are the original one, as you all know. IPFT is the 2009. We are fighting for the cause. Our main agenda is statehood demand. So now, maybe Motha or somebody else they came with a greater Tripura land. But it is through negotiation, through dialogue, we can solve the problem. But I think, first of all, I believe that my party should be strong. My party should be more united. Thank you.
Congratulations for your new post. You are a young, dynamic leader. And what can the Tripura people expect from you? And to revive your party, what will be your strategy?
First of all, I would like to thank all the press media, social media, and all the new elected CC member and new elected president of the KOKPIN party. So I am so lucky, and in this young age, I have been selected as a general secretary of my party. So I believe it's a huge responsible for me. So I try my level best to restore our party, and I believe. So every party there is an up and down. So this time our party is not good position, but I believe as a general secretary of KOKPIN party, so I have faith once again we can strengthen our party. So all the newly elected members, all they are very active in party. So they will try our best, and myself and president also will try our best to restore it.
We have seen party Ipft had a strong base among the youths particularly. We've seen the movement of party Ipft. So after coming to power, why you feel, as a young dynamic leader, why you feel, where was the weakness? What is the lacuna that left? And now how are you going to revive your party?
Yes, after the coming into power, so as all you know, we are a part of the government. So we have been lacking our party. So regarding this, now we are going to identify where we have lacking our party. So our new elected member, they'll all observe where we have a lacking. According to their point, so we'll start our movement, we'll start our party how to go ahead or how to strengthen our party.
Who is the biggest challenge? Last question.
Biggest challenge, we cannot say still. So everybody have their own political party. They have a power. So we can say our party also still we have a power. So just if we go to the field, so we can say that we still yes, Ipft party still we have a power. We can show after within a short time we're going to show the other political party that Ipft still we have a strength.
Ground strength.
Yes.
Thank you, sir.